Now here we have large numbers and higher variables with higher exponents. So let's see what we can factor out. All three of these are divisible by 10, and all three of them can have a w squared factored out. This will leave me then, well, 40w to the fourth divided by 10w squared will give me 4w squared left. 80w cubed divided by 10w squared, well, 80 divided by 10 is 8. W cubed divided by w squared is w. And then the last term, when I factor, 30 divided by 10 is 3. W squared divided by w squared is 1. So now I'm back to group factoring. So I'm going to say, what do I multiply? So I got my 4 and my 3 here to make 12. That adds to make 8. So let's go through some of our factors. 4 times 3, well, 4 plus 3 is 7, so that doesn't help us. Well, we got also 2 times 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So there we have the factors we can use. So I'm going to rewrite this then as 10w squared, and then in parentheses I've got 4w squared plus 2w plus 6w plus 3. And again, I haven't changed the problem, I've just expanded it into an equivalent statement. Now I can group factor. So if I look, I still have my 10w squared out front. And I say, well, from 4w squared and 2w, I can factor out 2w. And that will leave me with 2w plus 1. From 6 and 3, I can factor out a 2. I can factor out a 3, which will leave me with 2w plus 1. And that's exactly what I want, because again, 2w plus 1, 2w plus 1. So I have, in the end, 10w squared, then 2w plus 3, and 2w plus 1 as my factored form. So I know E can throw people, but I expand it to be exactly what it says. So x plus y times x plus y minus 6x, and then x plus y. And since I've been group factoring, I can think about, is there a shared factor between these two expressions? And yes, there is. It's this x plus y and this x plus y. And I'm going to follow the same things I've been doing, which is that I'm going to take my other terms and combine them into a single set, and then I have my x plus y term. So what that means is I have x plus y minus 6x. That's my outside terms, and then the x plus y, because that's the shared term. Now, I can simplify inside my parentheses there because they are the same terms and I'm adding and subtracting. So 1 minus 6x is negative 5x plus y, and then x plus y. And there I have the simplified expression.